Microphone check, check, check. 1 2 1 2. Microphone check, check. 1 2 1 2. Microphone check, check. Okay, we got audio on YouTube. Do we have audio on Twitch? Yep. Okay, I can turn that shit off, turn that shit off. I think we're live. Yep. We are live. Let me maybe turn the music on this and a little bit lower. Where are my glasses? My eyes will be hurting after all these hours in front of PC working on games and now streaming working on games. Ugh. My glasses are so dirty because I am such a dirty boy. How is it? Oh, it's even worse. What the fuck? No one is yet here. That means I can dick around. Nah, not really. So, how about we start this shit, right? That's the scene we wanted to start on. Yeah, so hi, my name is Ada. I'm a video game developer, game programmer. I've been doing this. In February it will be 10 years. So 9 years and a little bit. And I'm doing game development streams on my own. I don't represent anyone but myself. So any dumbness, it's my dumbness. Any stupidness, it's my stupidness. Etc, etc. These streams are dedicated to the topics. On my personal list, they are so-called shit that I would love to learn. I forgot the actual name for that. Wait a second, my brain is dead today. Oh my god, it's going to be a fun stream. Blind spots, yes, that's what that's the fucking expression I was searching for. Motherfucking blind spots. And not only this, I've been doing streams on a couple of plugins, some of them completely new, like mover plugins, like animation motion matching plugins, couple of the ones that are already there, or maybe they are not even plugins, they are just there in engine, like chaos destruction. Last dev stream was connected to that, and last stream I did something new. It was a chill stream when me and my bro Barabbas, we were playing some game, Sea of Thieves. I'm looking to doing chill stream every once a month or a special occasion or whatever. Today it will be a stream, another part 7 in my long running series about game design, and to be exact, about primary action design, because this is something that I suck at completely. What is a primary action? Just to sum it up quickly, it's the most basic action that you do in your video game and then the extensions of it. Is it cool? Is it not cool? Because I already have like loads of notebooks filled with ideas that I would love to do as video games and maybe sometimes release them. Or Google Docs that I also have full of docs about lore, high-level design, etc., systems, blah blah blah, all the fucking bullshit. Meanwhile, whenever I sat down to create the prototype, I was like, shit, I don't even know how to actually play this game. What is the minimal thing that I could do that is fun? And then I realized, holy shit, I don't know how to do this. I've been programming all these games all these years, but when it comes to starting at the beginning, to think of a cool idea, just cool idea, disconnected from any story, any high-level systems, any genre, or whatever, it ain't easy to do, right? To invent in that way. So, I had this series when I was learning this. We went to some places. I learned a couple of things. I realized the things that I thought that would be hard turned out to be easy, and the things that were easy turned out to be way fucking harder than I thought. But I'll get to this in a second. What else I wanted to say? Yeah, that's basically it. To borrow a metaphor from Jeremy from No Clip Crew, he had a cool talk about that when he is learning game development from his position. It's kind of like if you're trying to learn the guitar, how to play the guitar, but instead of, just trying to play it, you're learning about history of guitar makers, history of what resources to use when create guitar, the physics of the string and how it produces the sound, the history of famous players, everything but actually sitting down and playing the fucking notes, right? So all of this exercise is playing the fucking notes. That's what we will be doing here. The other thing I will be doing here is testing this new chair, because I have scoliosis that is just big enough to fucking be pain in the butt, but not big enough to qualify for any kind of rehabilitation. Which is stupid, but that's what it is. So I've been on a search for a chair that would be cool to sit in. We'll see, it's day 2. So, maybe let's... Maybe let's start this shit. And by start this shit, let me quickly take you back to the past to play some shitty games that suck ass. No, that's not me. I created a plan to learn all of this primary action. If Mario and Donkey Kong cannot run and jump and it doesn't feel fun, you might not create any more systems of the game if the primary shit isn't fun. If Half-Life and Counter-Strike game shooting isn't fun at enemies, the game sucks anyway. If you're creating a visual novel and your basic presentation doesn't work and you cannot view the information on the screen, or you are viewing them in such a way that you don't want to read it, the game fucking sucks, right? So I wanted to learn this in the weird way. I'm not taking any genre that already exists and I'm trying to do something in it. I'm kind of reinventing the wheel, opening the already open door, but I figured this is the only way that I could train my muscle of thinking about, okay, this input, then this reaction, etc, etc, etc. Because I can read all the theory that I want, but if I'm not sitting down and actually fucking doing it, I won't learn anything. So the idea was to create a simple game context, because it's not going to be a game that will be released on Steam. A simple game context of a game when I'm shooting arrows from a bow. Just like Mario or Donkey Kong are changing the state of the world through running and jumping on stuff. Here, bow and arrow are the things that are going to achieve that. Even though I'm using FPP template in Unreal Engine 5, it's not going to be a first-person shooter. It's not going to be fast-paced or movement-based. It's not going to be archery simulation. It's very arcadey, gamey, slower. Arrow, like I said, changes the world state, and it would be lovely to have a co-op in there. To think of co-op. I created 4 phases to quickly blast through them. MVP, minimum viable product. where I ask myself questions. Is it fun to shoot in the air, at the wall, at the stationary target, at the moving target from various distances? And if the answer to those questions are yes, then I'm fucking done and I can go on to the next phase. Spoiler alert, I'm already done with that phase like a couple of streams ago. So right now I'm in the second phase, toy making. When I imagine, to use a metaphor, MVP would be creating a action figure that I can transform into a cube, and I'd be like, cool, this is a cool mechanic, taking an action figure, humanoid action figure, and transforming into a different object. Let me make the same action figure that transforms into a car, into a truck, into a gun, into a motherfucking tank. I'm talking about creating transformers, right? So the same way as a kid would approach his play, I have a toy box and I'm creating lots of toys and throwing them in, trying to make them as fun as possible. See if I can use my primary action, reinvent it, reuse it in a different way than just a regular shooting at stuff way, and constantly asking myself, do I have enough toys for a sequence? Can I formulate a goal for a player, etc, etc, etc. If the answers to those questions are yes, you can do it, then I'm gonna jump to sequence making, when I will be crafting simple scenarios, when you have to achieve the goal, and see if they are cool. And if I have enough toys and enough small sequences that I could string together, I will jump into a fourth phase, scenario making. We'll be trying to create just one level that I can go from start to finish, play it, and ask myself, do I have enough that I could actually start pre-production on this game if I wanted to? Do I see what game it is? Or maybe I have to go back to sequence making, toy making, and add some more toys, craft a couple of more sequences, add a little bit pizzazz to it, so even in the ugly prototypey way, it will be better. And at this point I would probably ask maybe some of my friends who wouldn't hesitate to appear in front of camera next to me to give them the mouse and keyboard or maybe a gamepad and play this game and take the actual criticism and let them be as honest as possible. If this is a shitty game, tell me. Otherwise I wouldn't know. Yeah, and I'm not going to be talking about art style, plot, or any kind of stuff like this. No, just simple fun. So, what do I have right now? What do I have to show for all my bullshit talking? Nothing. Nah, that ain't true. I have couple of arrow types. I adjusted balanced my shooting so I could achieve different goals with shooting. I have charging arrow, which means Barabash Hardy says, say no more, fam. Barabash says, I can play test this for you. Thank you, bro. But will you come to my house? Will you come to my house with me and come to play this game? Because the best experience would be if we could, you know, both just sit together, you'll be playing and shit talking about this game and be like, nah, man, yeah, maybe something is there, but right now it plays shittily. And I'd be like, it means I passed the test. You said that there is something. It's shitty, but it's something. Sure, you will come. I think you made a typo. I think you made a typo. And if you didn't, leave it on the private chat. But nice having you here, Barabash. It's always nice having you here. I wonder if the rest of the Karakan squad will appear here. So I balanced this shit, so shooting at objects at the 15 meters should be happening without charging. At 30 meters, just a little bit of charge. At 75 meters, full charge ahead. And at 150 meters, that's the max challenge distance that I will be asking of player to shoot at. They not only have to charge fully, but take the fall off. Take the curvature of the shot, god damn it, into the account, so they have to aim higher. And then I did the same for moving targets, and I adjusted my parameters there. And then I created this guy. He's supposed to be a prototype enemy, and it kind of works with him okay. Then I started making a couple of shots. I don't remember which shot I have, so we will see. Ah, yeah, we have a bouncy shot. A bouncy shot means shit just bounces off different objects. Right? Let's jump onto that shit. I was supposed to have breakable doors, but I implemented them badly. And then I made a chaos distraction stream, and I know how to do it better. With the bouncy shot. What the flying fuck? With the bouncy shot, you could try to hit the target that you cannot reach. Yay! I hit the target. It changes the color every time I hit it, right? And I have, from what I remember, a shark shot. And to change it, I have to go here. BP shark arrow, from what I remember. Yeah. And shark goes, and then it jumps out. Yeah, boy. In current state, I don't know what to use it for, but we have it. And from what I remember, the way it is implemented, it will have a bug. If there were like two planes on different altitudes, it wouldn't go down immediately into a lower altitude, or it wouldn't stop at the wall. I almost had it. Almost. God damn it. Yay! We hit it with the shark. And from what I remember, I think we have BP. What is all of this shit? Mushroom shot, from what I remember. Mushroom auto, yes. Let's compile this shit. It just makes things bigger, and then they explode with the confetti. Yep. And when I was testing Mushroom Arrow, I was thinking, hey, maybe it's the time to formulate the goal of the game. And let's make the goal very simple. You need to find all of the arrows on the level, all of the stars on the level. Let's say, for example, in the bigger level, non-linear level, more like open-ended level, you will have 7 stars to collect them all. I would say you could collect 7 balls that belong to the dragon, but I don't want to get copyright strike, right? Even though I love those fantastical balls. But we will be collecting stars in this game. Yeah, I know, very original, but it's just the goal of the game. But you won't be collecting them like in Mario or Donkey Kong, just by going through them. No, you have to shoot at them. And that's what I've been thinking. Instead of having a mushroom arrow, you will be shooting at this star, and it will be just exploding as confetti. As some kind star pinata, or something like this. So that's what we'll be doing here today. There's one other topic that I will cover in the future, but not now. I want to clean up this mess because prototyping new types of arrows is becoming unbearable a little bit. But this cleanup stream, I don't know about. I think it would be boring as fuck. So I was thinking of maybe I shouldn't make fun of my own accent. I was thinking of doing the cleanup offline and then on stream talking about why I made those decisions, where I made the bad turn and came back to it. because such refactor is only needed for prototyping, not for actual shippable thing. None of this is shippable. All of this is pure bad prototype, just to see if the game is fun. So the idea is that you could shoot the star with any type of arrow, right? So let's create this thing. Let me remind myself. How did I make the enemies and shit to shoot at? Ah yeah, I made it like this. Begin play, some dynamic materials, blah blah blah. Target hit when it changes color. On mushroom enlargement, blah blah blah. On maximum enlargement reached and shit like that. Okay, so I will be creating a new stationary, a child of a stationary target. And this will be the arrow that we'll be collecting. If we'll be collecting arrow, fucking hell, star that we'll be collecting. If we'll be collecting stars, all the stars, we need to have a count of that. The best way of doing it would be to put it into game instance. The game instance that we are using is always here in world settings, selected game mode. We don't have game mode. Let's then use some game mode. We have a game mode here with our default pawn, blah 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 blah, spectator pawn. But that will probably break the whole fucking game. Yes, we don't have anything, right? So BP first person game mode. This is what we should be playing with, right? Yep, this is us. So maybe let's copy that shit into our stuff, which I don't remember how it's called. Yeah, it's hidden here, and let's call it core folder for all the core blueprints of the game. Game mode is one of the core BP bow arrow, BP primary action game. This is our shit, and the core folder will be the place where we'll be keeping all the goddamn core blueprints for the game. One of them is game mode base, and what I want to create at this moment is to override, what the fuck? Okay, first BP primary act. Game state, yes. What did I say? Game instance? No, game state. That's what I meant. God damn it. And so we will be creating in our core folder. Core folder. If you have Polish accent, saying core folder is a fucking nightmare. And I do have Polish accent. Why? Because I was born not in Poland. And that's true. Okay, so game state, yes, game state. And we'll be calling it GS for game state primary action. Yay! And here, a simple freaking thing. We'll be creating additional variable called stars count. It will be an integer that will be starting, of course, at 0, and we will create a custom event. I love custom events. On star collected, and what it will be doing, it will be incrementing this shit. When I have it in the game state, if this game went into pre-production and I would have any save state here, I already have my work kinda cut out for me, because saving the game state ain't that hard. Okay, our game is ready to remember how many stars we counted. Now let's create the stars collected. Collected stars count, yeah. Now we have the star count going on. Let's create our star, and it will be child blueprint class pp star target. Yeah, I have to change the mesh of it, and that's the most fucked up thing because I don't know what mesh should I have. So I should create a simple one, or maybe do I have something already? Let's see. Do I have something that resembles star? There is something from control rig, but it doesn't look the way I want it to look. There are different shapes, funny shapes, has some arrows. Splash, the other splash. Oh, I have a. It is from Niagara, although. It is from Niagara. Jezik, Sion, where are you when you are needed? Maybe I can have something better as my star. Let's see. The time that I'm taking on finding a good mesh, I would probably make the mesh in Blender way faster. But it's also good to know what kind of meshes do you have access to. Okay, these are symbols, some letters. Atom is a nice mesh. But now, brain, sand, city. What the hell? What kind of things that I never looked at are in the because we have starting content. Okay, I forgot about that shit. Okay, and we have Niagara stuff. Slums sign. What the hell? Soul City. Or you can try modeling tool in UE, Barabas says. Should be enough for a simple star. I tried to use this thing and it kind of defeated me. I tried to do the star in that, but it defeated me and I didn't want it to stream my defeat. Not in the sense that I'm scared to admit defeat, because I feel sometimes like all of my existence is one of big defeat, but more like I don't want to waste time on this tool right now. I want to do a dedicated stream for that. And today is not the day. Maybe let's use something simple. Yeah, like there is this diamond, but there was also the other cool mesh that I saw that could be used as a placeholder for star. I saw that shit. Tetra. No. Fuck you. P. Fuck, I forgot the name of it. Okay, whatever. Buildings. Game. What the fuck even is BF? There's some old shit in here that I don't know where it comes from. Something from Control Rig maybe. Let's steal that. That was a cool mesh that I saw here that I wanted to use. But I'm too stupid to remember the name. Now that is content, scrolling through a tiny window. Dodecahedron, that's what I was searching for. Thank you. Motherfucking thing. There was a static mesh of Earth. Fuck. Niagara hologram pack. Okay. But I just wanted to copy this thing into my blueprint and into my here and save. And actually let's clear and let's use that mesh here. Yeah. And I had a dream. No. And let me create another material instance. Mi star target. It will have golden color, of course. Yeah, and the way, what I also want to do here, I want it to constantly rotate. That's one of the things that I want to do. So let's do it. Where the fuck is... I cannot call parent function? Why can I... Ah, okay, because I don't use tick here. Okay, okay. So rotate... rotator. Huh? There's already a component for that? Really? Just like that? Really? Huh. That's cool. I don't have to do any code? Really? Let's see if that is actually true. Oh, this star is big as hell, boy. And I have mushroom shots. That's not exactly what I wanted. BP arrow. BP bouncy shot. Let's have bouncy shot as our what we have hooked up here. But I don't see rotating. I don't see that it rotates. Do we have to do something to it? Start with tick enabled, auto activate. Yep, yep. Update only if rendered. Huh, cool. I don't know. Maybe 20 degrees. How about that? I don't know if this component even works. It's something that I never seen. But it looks like it doesn't work really. Ah, because it's fucking static. Let's put it as movable. Yep, yep. From what I can see, it is rotating right now. But it doesn't have the color that I want. And it's probably because at the begin play I am doing this. And I don't want to do this. So let me delete the parent call in begin play. And it still does it. So I should just activate this. Blah blah. Print string. And that's how we activate our begin play, boys. Yep, this is our star. Or a placeholder for that. It looks more like those diamonds and gems that we were collecting in Spyro. But enough with that shit. I wanna overwrite on target hit. It's cool that rotating movement actually works. On target hit. I wonder if on target hit. Yep, it works the exact same way. And now I wanna get my game state. Get game state. Now I want to cast to BP. Oh, GS primary action, yeah. And if I have it, I wanna call on star collected. And to make sure that it is actually working, each time I collect the star, let's print out the number of stars that I have. It's simple shit. And maybe let's put a couple of those here. This is the goal that I as a player will be hunting for in a level. It should be fun to collect it. And nothing happens. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Why on target hit is not being called? It is being called. But the game state. What? Did I not change the... Yes, I did not change the game state. Now it will be working. What's the lesson here, boys and girls? Not be sloppy. Just as I was right now. Oh, and I messed up something. What did I mess up? Why am I not moving? Even though... What the flying fuck? Game state base. And... I messed up something simple in my game state. What did I mess up here? Maybe I should go game state base. Yeah, sure. Be parent, go like this, BP. I don't know why first person. I don't know why the fuck that happened. We collected 1, we collected 2, we collected 3, we collected 4 fucking stars. Yes, it works. As I said, it is kinda simple. Yes. Now let's make this shit break and explode with confetti. First, let's make the actual mesh of the target disappear. Wow, what the fuck is going on here? You will see in a second, because the way we'll be doing it is we will be using chaos destruction to cut up this mesh and make it explode when we are collecting it. Yeah, let's go. So, the way it works, we should use our mesh, put it here. Let's now use fracture, from what I remember. And let's create new geometry collection. Yup, GC No, the name will be star fractured. There's a joke that I could make here, but I'm not gonna do it. Star fractured. Okay. Yep, and now we have it. We don't have an actual fracture yet, so we will do it right now. Yeah, I think it is good enough. Yeah, it doesn't need to be breaking up in million different pieces. Not really. I think I lost Barabbas. He's not there anymore. Should I just like maybe break it into even more pieces? No, it's supposed to be a stylized game. What the fuck? So this is my fractured stuff. You're here, yay! Good to know. Yeah, you know what I'm saying this? Because Restream right now, when I look at stats, is showing me that no one is watching my Twitch stream. And you're watching always, thank you. And from what we learned last time, we should use material. And there is one material for internal faces, and there was a way to add another material slot for the external faces. Now we're talking. And let's use the start target as this, and maybe internal should be a little bit different, just to give it. Varabash Hardy says, hey, material slot. I am a material slot. That is true. I wonder if Twitch will strike me down for saying this. When I'm talking about slots here in Unreal, it's my thick Slavic Polish accent. If you motherfuckers will punch me for that, y'all racist. Okay, now let's create material instance. MI start target insides. Yeah, and what was the color here? I want to use the same color but make it just a little bit darker. Da 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 da. To jest Praga Północ, to jest Praga Północ. Yeah, I recorded a song about my old district some time ago, but now I only have a beat of this. Yeah, so let's save this. Let's save, maybe it should be even more darker. This, hell yeah. And let's assign this exact material to this material slot. Barabbas Hardy says, because we are living in material world and I am in material slot in the Unreal Engine. That shows me the insides of the start target. And now we could unselect all of this. Or from what I remember, I could go to details, and there was something about not showing the goddamn bone colors. Yes, I don't want that. And show me how it fractures and how the insides look. There is no fucking difference. Great. And index 1 on internal faces, assign material. I thought that the effect would be different, I'll be honest, but I think I have to not only do kinda like maybe this will be okay. Let's see that. Assign materials. No fucking change? Does this... Wait a second. Does this assign the materials the other way around? Does this mesh has... Wait, what? It's going the other way around and I'm not sure why. I'll be honest. I wanna... Once again, let's select all of the bones. How about that? Material 0, only on external faces. Assign materials. Assign material 1 to only on internal faces. Assign material. Now, let's deselect everything. And it's the other way around. It shows... Now it shows... And I think I know what I did. No, I don't know what I did. It looks like it assigned the same material all over the place. I love these bugs. Okay, how about once again? Assign to all the external face. Why aren't you doing it? Why you doofus aren't doing it? Okay, I'm spending way too much on this shit. Way too much time on this stupid shit. Just to show the insides are a little bit different than the outsides. So, fuck it. Fuck it then. How about we assign material 0 to all the faces? Maybe this mesh is messed up somehow. I'm not sure. Whatever. I will have a prettier I will have more cool mesh a little bit later down the road. So how about we just remove material slot and assign this to all of the faces. Assign this, you bitch. What is going on? Now it works? You bitch. Okay, no, I'm not giving up on that shit. Add material slot. And material slot is added, and let's use this. And let's use this. And use this. And assign material. And now show me the money. Now it works how I wanted it to. I don't know why, what was the error here, but it works. Okay. Now I can go into selection. I have my GC star fractured. And I will add this to my target. Yay, let's do this. Add GC star. Can I just add geometry collection? Yes, geometry collection. Great. And the one that I will be using is this. Hell yeah. I should save this also. No, whatever. Initialization fields. Yeah, I'll be spawning all of that shit on the fly. So now, if we started to like hide things, visible, we'll still see the geometry collection underneath it. So it needs to start as not visible. This will be visible. And the moment we hit it, not only will be calling on start collected, we will be making our main mesh set visibility false. While for geometry collection, we'll be doing set visibility to true. And we need to spawn, from what I remember, the field that will affect it so it can explode. Spawn actor from class, and it will... What the fuck? No. Spawn actor from class, and it will be fs uniform scalar field. I don't remember really which one I should use. Master field. I think it was master field. Maybe let's play around with the master field a little bit. Fs. What the fuck? I forgot that those fields are engine, blah blah. Somewhere in the engine. Fs. Master field, yes. Let's use that shit and let's play with the params first. Okay, that's what's happening. Now I want to make it explode. How? Field follows field. Yeah, yeah. Delay, activation type. Delay, yes, yes. 0.1, and what were the other? Noise, yeah, sure. More. More. I want more. Like 10,000. Let's see how that will look. Seems like it's not being affected. What the fuck? Ah, because I'm not using this directional vector. That's great. That was smart of me. Look, mom, I'm smart. But I kind of wanted to explode like from the middle outside. Can I just do that shit? No, if I'm using directional magnitude. So I guess this is the wrong goddamn field to use. So let's see, which field should I use to make it look cool? Radial field, I'm not sure what that is, but it's from Niagara. Uniform vector, bomb field. That sounds like something. I remember trying out this, but let's scale it up. Why doesn't... What? Why? Why can't I scale this shit up? Whoa! Use bomb. 0.1. Let's see. Oh, it kind of works the way I thought it might work. But the scale of it is annoying me. Oh yeah. Why does that shit... Okay, I think I messed up something. It's supposed to be small. I think I don't get it. Let's see, what do we have here? Delay. Doesn't do jack shit. Bump duration. Use bump physics. I thought the bomb will just explode the fuck out of this thing. There's mass. Use projectile velocity. I don't get how this works. Oh my god, so many message log. Ah, yeah, of course, because I'm simulating. Yeah, sure. I don't care about that right now. Let's see what that will do. Nothing. Use noise. I don't think I understand this bomb and how to use it. Is there like an example or something? Reference viewer? Not really. But it is something that I can open up. Let's see what that initialize motion vector switch. That is some demo type of shit. Okay, so let's not use that field. Yes. Let's go back to our master field. We'll be spawning FS master field, and let's just figure out the values to make it look cool. And great. Directional list. We have free axis pointing here. Okay, and can we do something about velocity controls? Yes, let's use velocity. Use lifespan, blah blah blah, display, chaos field display, sure, whatever. How about making it just point out? Okay. So now to make it do exactly that, after we hit this thing, we need to go here, FS master field, spawn it. Let's save reference to it, of course. Promote to variable master field. And after that, we need to change the variables in this shit to be exactly like that. So, first, set scale, set world scale, set world scale, set actor, okay, scale 3D. And we want this to be 4, no, 4 and 4. Similarly to here, and the rest we will use as normal. Use directional vector as yes, and how about set activation type to delay, of course. And of course, let's set delay, set delay. It can be 0.01. Yeah, it can be boring like this sometimes. That you need to just recreate this shit. And what else do we want to do? Directional magnitude is default. And what we also did was directional vector override. Set directional vector override. We want to do this also to be in the z-axis up, and of course override directional vector. Set override there. Wait, what? Directional vector. We want to do it as true. And 100% people don't realize that we're almost done. I just need to use force multiplier. Force mult. Yes. And to see if we set up everything correctly, I will also use begin play to trigger all of that shit. Or should I do it more like here? And let's see if it actually does happen. We have unresolved blueprint errors. Ooh, sexy. Phone transform pin is invalid. What? Ah, fuck yeah, of course. Get actor spawn. What? Get actor transform. Yeah. Always spawn. That's it. Maybe I could use reference to myself as instigator. I cannot. Ah, okay. So fuck you. Now. Yep. It almost kinda don't really work. Oh, that's funny. Okay, physics. Simulate physics, but don't enable gravity. Yep. It's just supposed to explode. That's it. And the other thing that I think I might have forgotten was I wanted to use super quick delay. Why is it? Why is it waiting the full second? That is fucking stupid. Okay, why is it waiting for the full goddamn second? Why is this shit waiting for 1 full second? God damn it. Maybe I should just do this. Copy this master field since it is a blueprint class. Put it into my blueprints. Put it here. Just name it FS arrow field arrow star field. Star target field. And let's set all of this shit here. Delay amount 0.1. Yes. Wow, lots of shit to set up in here. Okay. And directional velocity vector up. Start with tick enabled. Yeah, whatever. That's what I wanted. Use external. Use directional vector. And velocity controls. Directional vector override here and use velocity, and let's use here. And now star target will actually spawn star target, and from what I understand, that shit ain't gonna be necessary. Let's call this star field. You see, I created the star field in a way shorter time. Okay, and from what I understand, I can just turn off the rest of it off. And let's see how the star field works. It works exactly how I wanted it to. Great. So now let's unhook the begin play and let's see if it will actually work out. Barabas says 100% Bethesda don't realize. Sorry, I misquoted. Barabas Harde says Bethesda don't realize. I almost lied. Yes, let's play in selected viewport. Yep, we collected the star and another one. It looks buggy as fuck. And I know exactly what. But Haber says 100% by default. Okay, and I know exactly why. Because right now I should say, after all of this, set lifespan to like, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. And play. Here I should destroy this actor. Destroy actor. And I think I will destroy myself with that shit, right? And we collected it. That's there. I have some weird bug in here, and I'm wondering why. That it already appears distracted. It doesn't nicely destroy itself like I wanted it to. What the hell is going on? These are the only things that I really changed. Yeah, it's already like fractured The moment I start. What in the holy mother of everything? Show me the debug of this thing. But I want to have a chance to see this debug. Great. And this chaos field didn't die. Fuck you. And train radial magnitude. Okay, I don't understand what's going on. I'll be the first to admit it. Okay, I don't need this, and I don't need this master field. Where's my play start? Here. Let's just go here. And let's play with my star. Okay, another thing I have to do in here, from what I saw, is turn off the motherfucking collisions on my target. Set collision enabled. No collision. So let's go like this. Let's go like this. Lord have mercy. No, I am no criminal. And maybe I should also turn off the collision on geometrical action. Okay, let's see that. Now it works better. This one doesn't work. And this one doesn't work either. What in the holy mother of hell? Those two never work. Only this one works. The fuck you looking at? Okay. Now it works. Maybe I set the scale too big. Maybe I shouldn't do it at all. Let's turn off the debug. What the fuck? None of it. Go to hell. Works like I want to. God damn it! And I thought I will also implement some coins in this bitch. Let's change. This. It's just stopped working. Hell yeah. That's the result I wanted at the end of this. Not working. So it means in AAA gaming that it's time to ship it. It's probably the fact that I should not turn off the collision on. Yeah. Okay, it's buggy as all hell, but whatever. I need to do two things. I need to take the goddamn snack, close the window, and stuff like that. So I'll be back in a second. Ubisoft seal of approval, Barabar says. Modern gaming seal of approval. Okay. How are you guys doing? What are you playing lately? Are you playing anything? Barabas, are you playing anything? While we take the small break. Nah. Barabar says. Barabar says nothing interesting lately. Okay. I've been playing Ace Attorney. It's a great game. Although to be exact, Ace Attorney Investigations actually came out in 2012 or something, I don't remember. Barabar says, I've bought Wukong, but didn't launch it once yet. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have a couple of those on Steam. I haven't created a category of never played. I actually have 3 categories. Never played, never will. Never played, might play sometimes. And never played, I really want to. Barabar says, maybe I should play Ace, because I've heard lots of good shit about it, I assume. I would say if you like visual novels, then you could enjoy it. If you never played visual novel, I would say it is a good start. The first Ace Attorney. MK says, I'm still laughing after you say mother cocker collision. Yep, I'm a crude bastard like that. Barabar says, I actually want to play Wukong, but just don't have the motivation in me. I also get it. Like I said, on Steam I have the whole category of games that I bought. I want to really play it, but I still haven't motivated myself. Barabar Hardy says, I never played. So I would recommend, if you have some handheld, Switch or Steam Deck, or if you could stream from your PC to your phone, or if I remember correctly, it's just released on phone or Android and shit like that. And you can play the first Ace Attorney, I think even whole trilogy, on your phone. Why I'm saying that? Because these games are the best played when you are laying in your bed or on your couch and just playing them as if you were reading the book. But Avash Hardy says, we'll play them once we retire. Yeah, boy, that sweet, sweet retirement money from Polish Zeus. We won't be able to afford electricity. Nah, I'm just joking. I hope we'll be able to play them. Maybe we'll all be in the same retirement home too, and we'll be playing those games. That would be cool. Okay. So we got those motherfucking stars. I mean, they are not really stars, but finding them and shooting them. That motherfucker. Get away. And he turned into yellow face. Which in Poland, you know what this means. We just have been haunted by him. It's him, ladies and gentlemen. And it's not even 9:37. 21:37. And he's haunting me. Look at him. That creepy motherfucker. Get away from me. You bang. And he turned into something normal. Okay. I called it stars, but it turned into gems, so you need to find gems in the level. Maybe let's add some UI component to it so we could actually see that we collected something. And we should probably add some sound of collecting. Maybe some jingle or something. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find right sound right now. Barabar says, and let me exit out with my glasses. Barabar says, actually, they are closer to real stars than some shitty stars from Mario. Did I acted it out good? With the glasses and shit? I mean, yeah. But if I would be 8 and someone asked me, what is this? I wouldn't say star. So, you know, I think Mario stars are way better for that shit. But I get what you mean. I do get what you mean. Okay. Let's add some UI component to that. I forgot how I added the crosshair to this shit. Znowu to miasto zatkało mnie I to miasto też czasem zatyka cię. Też czasem zatyka cię. I to miasto też czasem zatyka cię. How the fuck did I add the crossbow component? Crosshair, not crossbow. I don't have crossbow here. I know it looks like a gun and it shoots arrows automatically, but it is a bow, guys, trust me. So maybe turn them into real stars. Sure, let's do this. Yeah, I gotta remind myself, how the hell did I add the crosshair? Did I do it here? VP first person count? No. Player controller? Did I do it with player controller? I just don't remember. God damn it. How the fuck did I do it? BP player. Oh, that's how we'll find it. Player HUD. I'm a stupid guy sometimes. Yeah, I added to viewport. I know how to add it, but I just don't remember where I put it into blueprint, right? So I put it into player controller. That's not how you should do it, kids, but for, you know, prototype purposes, why the fuck not? So I'm adding some mapping context here, and then I'm creating my player HUD widget. So I already have the widget. I don't need to do anything more. I was smart before, now I'm stupid. I was smart to create the whole HUD widget for me so I could edit it without thinking, but then I forgot about it. So that moment when I was creating that, I was smart. Now I'm dumb. But okay. Let's add some slider here. Sion, hello and welcome. Hello and welcome, my brother. Are you enjoying a cold beer? Or some food? Or some hot, warm, onion-smelling kebab? I hope you do. Okay. Sylkark, galernik kończy tu. Whoa. Okay. Let's add some text up in this bitch. Yep. And why are you here? I want you here. Position X. No. Minus 200. Yeah. Minus 400 even. Maybe minus 300. Yeah. Yeah, seems like a good placement. Sion, I wish. Gonna make some food and that's about it. What kind of food are you making, Sion? You know, Sion, that there is in Unreal Engine, if you add starter content, there's a Sion star in the game. In the assets. I found that when I was searching for star, it turns out that, yeah, there is one. And let me show you this thing. Oh, maybe let's not waste time because I need to end in like 15 minutes and I wanted to add a couple more shits during this stream than just one exploding star or a gem that you are trying to find. So here it will be always saying 0 or X amount of, let's use stars. I don't want to really be bothered by the goddamn graphics editing right now. But what I want is to turn it into variable so I could edit it. Let's call it goddamn star count, and let's call it let's have a variable here called star string, whatever, and let's have it as motherfucking string. Yep. And the value is this. And what I also want is to access that little star count that I created, and is variable. Let's lock it in. Yeah, boy. Sion star. Yes, there is Sion star in Unreal Engine. Maybe let me show you real quick. Star. And what we want is static mesh. And when you are, I could have, lo and behold, Sion, it's your star. And Sion says, got some bagels, gonna make me some sandwiches. Nice. This is your star, bro. Let's go back to HUD. Star count, yes. That's what we are gonna do here. And we also gonna create custom event called update star count HUD. So we got Barabbas on stream, we got Sion on stream, we got MK on stream. Where is the Chris, the last Karakan? To complete the Karakan squad. We got 3 out of 4 in Karakan squad, and MK is also with us. Okay. So get game instance. Or we could add input integer, new star count, set text, and the text is that star string. Let's star count, motherfucker, star count string. Yes. Get and Barabbas says he's probably on the hunt. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do, right? Or should I say a bot's gotta do, what a bot's gotta do. Oh my god, it's so hard to say that shit with fucking Polish accent. God damn it. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever, man. Whatever, man. Can I just set this and go like this? And can I go like this? Yes, I can. And then I'm gonna go star count string conca whatever. Append this shit and go in here and go in here. Please connect, you mother. Thank you. Din, 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 din. Am I not mistaken that we haven't played Jestem w Dupie not even once? Let me see it. Yep, we haven't hit Jestem w Dupie even once. Okay, it's like that and it's like this. Blah 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 blah. How we are going to... You know what? Nah, fuck that. I'm going to break this shit. Game state. Get game state and we are going to do it on tick. Fuck that. Get star. Do we not have in our game state? No, we don't. Let's create quickly a function. Get star count. And let's quickly create the return value for it. And there is going to be out star count. And it's the integer. And it just gives us this. And that function will be able to call from here. Cast to GS. Let's not be that bad. Where we'll be constructing, we'll be saving our game instance. Game state. Ref. Get star count. Yay, and now it should be correct. We have 0 stars. We have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 star, 4. I fucked your dad on the door. What? No, I haven't said anything. La 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 la. Yeah. There's one other thing I should add. A space in here. And I should add 0 in here. And on my target, let's turn off. No, it wasn't here. No, we are good. We also could add... I won't be able to finish it on this stream, but let's add coin collection. Coin collected coins count. Yeah, boy. And same custom even. Then we will take it from the next stream on coin collected. And yes, because there will be 2 collecting targets here. The big one stars and the smaller one coins. Classic. I'm not sure what will happen when you receive 100 coins. Maybe you will earn something. We will figure it out as we go. Get increment. Yes. It's gonna be... Thank you, Unreal. Get Coin count. Yup. The value here is 0. Get coin count. Instead of this, we are doing this and coin count, and let's quickly change our smart coins count and X coins, and maybe this could be more on the gold side of things. What the? Oh, maybe I overdid it. Yes, the amount of coins, and let's quickly as fucking fast as we can. We did this. We also should do this, and we're on the timeline here. Coin string, and it's this is some motivating ass beat. Coin string, you mother. Coin count string. Yes, and now let's assemble it all together. All in together now. That's Coke. Sequence. If you're wondering why I'm saying Coke, it's a song from La Cosa Nostra. La Coca Nostra. That's Coke. And now, games.ref. Get coin count. You stupid. Get coin count. Yep. Star. Do exactly this. Set text. The exact same thing happening here, but right now instead we're going to use these coin strings up in the shit, and we should have a quick coin counter that should be working, and we have, but we don't have coins to collect. That's stuff that we'll do on the next stream. Gonna go for some AFK. Yeah, bro, me too. I'm ending stream right now because today I didn't have too much time to stream, but I got some announcements to make regarding the schedules and lengths and everything about these streams. It's hard to fit those streams within my life for Tuesdays afternoon after work. Not only I am already tired from work, but also other life stuff, is happening around, and it's really hard to put it together like this. But there's another day in which it is way easier to do it for me. It was the day that used to be dedicated to fat streams. So we are talking Sundays. So counting from next week, Sunday next week, I will be doing stream, and this will be the date that will be the date of regular streams. So basically I'm turning fat streams into regular streams. The same goes for the length. Usually the fat streams were like 4 hours long. The same gonna happen on the next streams. So from next week onwards, All of the streams will be happening on Sundays between 10:30 and 2:30, circa about. And yeah, it will be working out way better for me, not only in terms of instead of my timesheet and the way I can, you know, dedicate time to it, but also from what I saw, you know, way more traffic was going on Sunday when I was doing fat streams than, you know, any other day really. So I think it would be a win-win. And you know, what's better on a lazy Sunday morning than watching a dude fighting against Unreal and laughing at him, right? So we didn't do too much today, but that is something that I kind of both expected and didn't expect. Ah, that guy. Yeah, so on the next stream, which will happen next week, on Sunday, around 10:30 a.m. Warsaw time, I will be finishing up with coins, and I hope I will be able to be already after a little bit of cleanup of this prototype and blueprint, so we'll be able to create more toys to play with. Right now, if we have goal, such as shooting at those stars or diamonds or whatever, and those coins, we'll be able to actually create some puzzle or scenario or some situation in which we could use our arrows in order to get to the coins or to get to the star, or maybe we will be able to create some enemy that will be, you know, trying to block us from getting at star or whatever. We'll be able to actually play around with the toys right now when we have the goal. Barabash Harde says, not much done. I think today you've done much more than some studios in 2 years. I would laugh if it wasn't for the fact that it kind of hurts also. No, I'm joking. Yeah. I'm not sure if that is not too harsh, but there is some truth in that, my friend. At least we were able to use what we learned on the last development stream with chaos distraction to create those stars. I also would love to maybe work a little bit on how it looks exploding, but that's the fight that I have to do it myself. It doesn't matter how the fuck it looks. If it works, it works. It's supposed to be fun. I shouldn't go into details right now. It's so hard because that's the way that's the way that Polish studios work. So maybe I should, you know, keep it together and concentrate if it's good gameplay or not good gameplay. That's it. MK sends lots of laughing emojis and says that it is true. Oh my god. Okay, let's stop the stream before I will before I will say something that I will regret it. But Abash Hardy says, I wonder when you will decide that you need to change the whole concept of your game. Oh my god, you're hitting at some points that are kinda... I am laughing, but I'm also crying at the same time. I don't know how to respond to that. Well, I guess the concept of just shooting arrows, I think it will stay here. I don't think it will turn into a game of other sorts. It's supposed to be arcadey fun. You're shooting arrows, collecting things with your arrows and changing the state of the world with arrows. But I understand what you're joking about, Barabash. But unfortunately, I am on stream and I cannot I cannot kill myself like that. Yeah, let's end the stream because it's going into the direction that will for sure do some harm to me. Mentally, that is. Yeah. Oh my god, I got so much to say that I shouldn't say. Okay, let's wrap this up. It was a funny stream. I'm dying inside. Bye bye. See you guys next week, next Sunday. We will have 4 hours of stream. We will do some development, but also some other stuff. It will be funny as fuck. Bye bye, guys. Have a nice evening, night, whatever. Have a good one.